Hello everyone. Today we will start printing with Fabforge Bio X4 in different platforms as well as different materials. So first we need to switch on the printer. So once the machine is on, the pressure display first will get on and the machine interface will start. So it will take boot up time of 30 seconds and the screen will get into web interface automatically. So before proceeding to the next level, we should check the pressure value in our pressure touch screen. So make sure it's all set to 0. So once it is done, we should connect our compressor. So our compressor is connected to the machine through 6 mm hose and we need to start the compressor. So open the ball valve and open the compressor. So pull this red color lever up. So wait for compressor to build up its pressure. So once the pressure is built up, we can proceed for next steps. So now the pressure in the compressor is built up. So we will start printing one by one, and these are all the materials we are going to print with, and these are all the different platforms we have. So we will print on each platforms. Thank you.